Hey everyone, welcome back to All's Review. Thanks for checking out my review. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some incredible bonuses you'll get when you grab this product. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these amazing offers worth a total of $985. First up, we have Etamix. This automated passive income system allows you to get paid even while you sleep. You'll receive free clicks and traffic 24/7 with zero hidden fees. It's a game changer for anyone looking to make money online effortlessly. Next is Artisia. Imagine generating stunning AI images, logos, and videos in real time, all in 4000 HD. With Artisia, you can create and sell high-quality graphics for profit, converting any image into 3D videos. It's perfect for designers and creatives. Then, we have AI Partner and Profit. This is a unique opportunity to partner with a seven-figure business owner and get your own AI-powered seven-figure business without any experience or skills needed. You don't have to do any of the work. Moving on, Audio Buddy turns text into stunning AI audio. Create audiobooks and podcasts effortlessly, choosing from 500 realistic human voices. You can publish your content to major platforms like Spotify, Audible, and more. It's never been this easy. Last but not least, the Mega PLR Suite. Get 15 million products with PLR rights to edit, rebrand, and sell for huge profits. This suite covers the most profitable niches, and there are no hidden payments ever. It's the fastest way to own a fresh stream of hot products and sell them to the world. These bonuses are absolutely incredible and can seriously boost your income potential. But remember, this offer is only available for a limited time, so you need to act fast. To pick up product that I'm reviewing and unlock these exclusive bonuses, right now check out the link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about. Hey there, welcome to my Imperium AI app review. I'm thrilled to dive into this fascinating system and reveal how it claims to generate the income highlighted on its sales page. Before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zayed from LZD Review, and I've been earning a full-time income online with digital marketing for over a decade. Working from home is an incredibly flexible way to earn an income, and my years of experience have given me insight into the ebb and flow of various programs. I'm here to help you navigate your research on Imperium AI. Now, let's talk about Imperium AI. The sales page presents a rather generic ad copy without delving into the system specifics. It promises a set-and-forget chat affiliate income system powered by AI. The vague bullet points refer to affiliate links, traffic generation through copy-pasting, turnkey systems, and multiple income streams. Despite the lack of detail, this type of sales page often converts well, especially when promoted by affiliate marketers with large email lists. What's the strategy behind Imperium AI? Here's where it gets interesting. While the sales page suggests an affiliate marketing angle, the real strategy is centered around selling digital products on Etsy using AI tools. Etsy, traditionally known for arts and crafts, now thrives as a marketplace for digital products like templates, planners, meal trackers, and more. Imperium AI offers step-by-step training on creating vendor accounts, developing products with AI, listing them on Etsy, and driving traffic to your store. What does the training cover? You'll learn to research top-selling digital products on Etsy and replicate them using AI. From product creation to crafting compelling listings and descriptions, this training covers it all. While this approach differs from affiliate marketing, it provides a refreshing, valuable business model focusing on leveraging Etsy's built-in audience. Why the disconnect? It seems the sales page was created without a clear understanding of the actual product. This common practice leads to generic hype sales pages that could apply to various products. While Imperium AI might not be a done-for-you affiliate marketing system, it offers valuable insights into becoming a successful digital product vendor on Etsy. After 7 years of success, I can confidently recommend this complete done-for-you system for generating traffic and consistent commissions. Now, here's the exciting part. When you purchase the Imperium AI app through the link in the description, you will unlock exclusive bonuses that are designed to supercharge your success. Don't miss out on these incredible bonuses. They are available for a limited time, so take action now. Click the link in the description, grab your copy of the Imperium AI app, and start your journey to online success today. Thanks for checking out my Imperium AI app review. I hope this clears up what the system offers and helps you decide if it's the right fit for you. Don't forget to click the link below for my top recommendation and the exclusive bonuses. All the best, and speak soon.